What's up, everyone? Welcome to Black Hut Design. Thanks for coming into Black Hut Design. My name is Mark Plant, and I will be the host on this YouTube channel. What we're going to do in this channel is we will be following me getting back into some woodworking. Let me foreshadow back a little bit. We have been in the house that I'm in right now for roughly about 17 years. We used to live in another house, had a beautiful basement, was cut in half. I had a nice woodworking shop down there, basically a work area, not really woodworking, but I was starting to get into doing woodworking and crafts and stuff. Well, we decided to move up to this house, and when we did, I don't have any area in this house, never have had an area in this house where I could actually do woodworking and basically create a mess. It's a raised ranch with a fully furnished basement, no garage. Well, we've been here, like I said, about 17 years, and I really wanted to start getting back into the woodworking. There's a lot of projects that I want to do throughout the house that I really don't have the room to do. Basically, we moved to this house because the city that we were living in was getting really bad. The neighborhood was starting to get really bad. And both my daughters were getting almost to the age where they would be starting school. We did not want them in the school district where we lived. So we moved to this town, out of the city. Basically, I live in the middle of the country. My nearest neighbor is a tree where we live. Much better school system, all that stuff. But like I said, there's no room in this house to do the woodworking. Well, at this point now, my daughters are off to college. We have a lot of room in this house that we're not using without my daughters here, specifically where I am right now. Behind me is my work area. I have a workbench, and my shelf is a pigsty pot, and that's got to be pot that I got to clean up. But we also have a finished living room in this basement that we do not use. So my plan is to cordon that off, put a wall up, and create an area where I can make a mess and it's not going to travel throughout the house. I want to be able to get back into the woodworking, and that's what I'm going to do here. Basically, you'll follow me getting back. I have forgotten so much. I have got to relearn this stuff. So I'll be doing these videos. I'll be showing you the projects that I work on, how I do them, and that's where you guys come in. Let me know if I'm doing stuff wrong. I'm watching a ton of YouTube videos on how to do things right. Whether they're right or not, I don't know. We'll figure that out. But this is going to be a long process, and I want to involve you guys also. So please leave me comments below if I do something wrong. If there's a better tool to use. I have my tools that I used 17 years ago, not in the greatest of shape, so I have ordered some new tools. They will be coming in soon. I'll also be doing editorial videos on the tools, how they're packaged, how they come in, how they work, and the process of buying the tools also. So check back off, and I'm going to be putting up videos all the time on this channel. Hopefully I can help you. Hopefully you can help me make this a beginner woodworker community. It'd be nice. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you the tools that I currently have. And again, some of them are in rough shape. Some of them have not been used for a long time. So let's go to the workbench behind me and let me show you what I have for tools right now. All right, so what we're going to do is we'll start over here. I have a Ryobi Sawzall. These are the blue Ryobis. My wife actually bought me this kit when we first bought our house that we lived in the city. So we're talking, this is 20 some years old. Still works beautiful today. Yeah, it's really handy to have. So it's a really nice tool. I am going to continue to use it while I can. We'll go back here, and I've got a Ryobi battery-operated circular saw. Great tool. I have used this thing a lot. Works very well. And one of the reasons I like Ryobi tools Again, I'm just a do-it-yourselfer. I'm not a contractor or anything like that. They're interchangeable. The batteries that you can purchase today, as you can see, I ended up having to buy a new battery. These batteries still work in the old tools. Ryobi has done that with all of their tools. It's really, really convenient. I have also here, I have a skill plunge router. Have not used that in a while. It worked nice. Just where I am, I don't have anywhere to use it yet. So hopefully I'll get that soon. Hopefully it still works because, like I said, it's probably been 15 years since I've used this thing. I've got a cheap Black & Decker jigsaw. Can't beat Black & Decker tools. You can beat the crap out of them and they work very well. Very inexpensive. But again, I have not bought power tools in a long time. What we have here is I have a Delta chop saw. Have not used this one in a long time. I don't even know whether this works. So I'm going to have to take this outside, plug it in outside, and see if it runs before I do anything. I think I may have to lubricate it because it's been sitting for a while. I have over here another Black & Decker sander. Again, Black & Decker tools are incredible. They work so well. They're very inexpensive. Great for a homeowner. So, you know, I'll be using that. Actually, I lied a second ago when I said I hadn't bought tools in a while. I actually bought a Ryobi drill probably about 2 or 3 years ago, mainly for the battery. It was actually cheaper at Home Depot for me to buy a drill with a battery than to just buy a battery because the old Ryobi batteries basically died on me. And then let me pull one out. This here is one of the old Ryobi batteries. Okay. This is dead. I can't even charge it anymore. So I had to go and I had to buy another one. And like I said, it was more expensive to just buy the battery than to buy the drill and the battery. So I still need to find a way to get rid of these things. Home Depot used to take them. They don't take them anymore. Now, 2 tools that I'm probably going to have to upgrade is I've got a Ryobi pin nailer. Excuse me. This one I haven't used in a while, but the problem I have with this, those screws are rusted, so I'm not sure whether I'm going to still be able to use that. I may have to replace that. The other tool that I have that I know I'm going to have to replace, and I'm sad about it, is this Ryobi battery-operated jigsaw. I don't know what it got into or got on it, but I don't feel safe using it with that. So I'm going to have to change that out. So those are the power tools that I have right now. I have ordered some new ones that will be coming in. None of them will be replacing these, so that jigsaw I might have to get another pin nailer. I'm going to see if I can work with those rusty screws. So, but yeah, like I said, these tools are years old. The other tool that I have that I'm not showing here, it's actually out in my shed, and to be honest, my shed's a mess right now and I can't get at it to bring it in, is I have a table saw. It's a Delta table saw, just like the chop saw here. That's been out in the shed for a while. I am very leery that that thing still works, so we'll have to see. These are the current tools that I have. I'm going to be replenishing some, and I'm going to be doing a lot of reorganizing in my basement here, so, you know, we'll see what happens. All right, everyone, those are the tools that I have. Like I said, I do have some coming in. They're going to be gradually coming in. I will show them to you as I get them up on this channel here. And then I'm going to start doing some construction down here, making it a little more convenient to work so that I'm not making a mess. What I may do is I'll give you a tour of what this basement looks like right now and the plans that I have to make it more woodworker friendly. I guess that's how you say it. Had a brain cramp there. Wow. But anyway, that's my video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Keep watching back. Like I said, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Let's get this channel rolling. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm going to be doing a ton of these videos, so keep following. Thanks again, everyone. I do appreciate it. And I'll be back to you guys again real soon.